Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a sweet pepper chicken and olive dish. Stick around. All right, just like I said in the beginning, we got some sweet peppers. We're gonna rough chop them. Got some olives, gonna do the same to that. I got some oyster mushrooms that we're gonna chop up in there. Everything is pretty much for the flavor. It's more for the chicken than for the olives and everything else. You know, if you choose to eat them, it's great. I like them. Everybody else might not. I just want that flavor of those two ingredients to flavor my chicken. So I'm just gonna rough chop those. We're gonna use the liquid. We got our Dutch oven here. We're gonna brown that chicken off. I've washed it, getting ready to pat it dry. When I get that done, we're gonna put some oil in here. We're gonna bring you back and we're gonna fry some chicken, get some color on it. We're not adding flour, anything like that. We're just browning it up, putting everything together, sticking her in the oven and finish her off. Stick around. All right. That is definitely hot. I'm not gonna worry about seasoning the chicken just yet. I'm just trying to get a little color. You can put salt on it if you want. We're gonna start off with our chicken breast. Get this browned up. All right, give these a quick flip. Yep, that looks good, liking it. Just gonna cook them for a couple of seconds on this side. I did leave out one ingredient. We'll be adding some capers to this as well. I'm just gonna go for a little while on this side because it's going in the oven and everything's going back into this pot. I'm just gonna pile it in. It's like a chicken stew. Alright, gonna pull this chicken out. Remember, it's not done, probably not even halfway done. We just getting some color on it. We'll set that to the side here. And then we're going to add in our chicken legs. Skin side down, of course. And you see all that fond on the bottom? Yeah, we're going to use that up. All right, we'll add in our mushrooms. We want all that to be on the bottom so he can get all those liquids and soak them up and give us all them wonderful flavors. Set this aside. And we're gonna hit this with a little chicken powder. Just add a little more chicken flavor. Use whatever brand you like. A couple of these sweet peppers. A few of these olives. Put our breast back in there. On top of that, set this aside. Get it with a little bit more of the chicken powder on the top. We're gonna go in with some garlic, granulated garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you like. And I'm going in on the garlic. Ooh, that was a little crazy. Just about olives and sweet peppers. Rid of that. Get a little of our juice from my sweet peppers. A little bit of juice of the olives. A little bit of juice from the capers and a few capers. Just let that hunker in, put everything away. Beautifully. Turn this off. We're gonna cover it up. We're going into a 375-degree oven. And we're gonna let this go for about 45 to 50 minutes. All right, everything's looking delicious. Smells awesome. Give me a second. Let's give it a taste. End results. The chicken is juicy, delicious. This is my wife's plate. Hope she enjoys it. And if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, tell a friend about me, subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate you stopping by. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.